I spent weeks testing 4 of the biggest AI clipping tools just to see which ones actually deliver content worth posting. I wasn't interested in flashy UIs or empty marketing buzzwords. I only cared about one thing, which was the raw quality of the clips. To get real results, I ran each platform against 2 very different types of content: a fast-paced, list-style advice video and a recorded screen walkthrough. The goal was simple. Take typical long-form content that creators want to turn into shorts and see how these AI tools handle the heavy lifting. Quick intro, I am Matt Piva, and I spend my days building automation solutions for teams and creators to make content production less of a headache. I tested Opus Clip, Clap, Vizard, and Kuso to find out which tool actually delivers usable results right out of the box. First, let's look at the listicle style video, where each point needs a hook, retention, and a satisfying punchline to survive in a social feed. Opus Clip gave me massive quantity, outputting 26 different clips from a 21-minute video. Opus is honestly impressive with face tracking, keeping the speaker perfectly centered even when they turn their head. However, some clips were so short they lacked context, making viewers ask, "Wait, what are we talking about?" Next is Vizard, which produced nearly as many clips as Opus, but the quality of the individual snippets felt significantly more complete. Vizard excels at finding self-contained chunks that include a clear setup and payoff within a 30-second window. In my testing, Vizard clips felt like mini episodes rather than fragmented sentences, saving me tons of time on editing. Then there is Clap, which took a different approach by generating fewer, longer clips. These longer durations can be great for strategy deep dives, though they usually require simple cuts to become truly snackable. Finally, we have Kuso, which gave the fewest clips and unfortunately struggled with face tracking during camera angle changes. When the camera angle changed, Kuso often failed to adjust the crop, making the visual result feel awkward. For list-style videos, my current ranking puts Vizard first for context, Opus second for tracking, followed by Clap and Kuso. Now, let's talk about the real challenge, which is the tutorial-style screen share video. These are geometrically harder for AI because the system has to keep your face bubble visible while also showing important screen details. Vizard tried a split-screen approach with a blurred background, which was a sincere effort, though most clips still needed a bit of manual tweaking. Opus Clip performed better at resizing the screen capture without using distracting background filters. Clap surprised me with longer clips that contained full instructional thoughts, which is perfect for teaching a process. Unfortunately, Clap didn't reframe the horizontal footage into vertical correctly by default, which is a major hurdle for mobile feeds. Kuso struggled the most here, as it failed to convincingly combine the face bubble with the screen recording. If you are creating tutorial content, my rankings flip, with Clap taking the lead for content length and Opus for framing. So, what is the practical takeaway for your content strategy? If your content is list-focused, Vizard is currently the most reliable way to get finished-feeling micro-episodes without the editing headache. For tutorial creators, no tool is a perfect autopilot yet, so expect to do a little manual reframing regardless of what you choose. Keep in mind that face tracking, clip length defaults, and clear context are the variables that will actually determine your success. Ultimately, I recommend Vizard for general listicles because it combines quality clips, scheduling, and calendar tools in one package. Opus is excellent for volume and face tracking, while Clap is surprisingly strong for longer educational content. If you want to stop spending hours editing and start letting AI handle the first draft, these tools are getting better every single day. I can even help you set up a workflow or show you my own templates if you want to speed up your production schedule. Let me know what kind of content you create, and I will tell you which tool I would personally use to scale your output. See you in the next one.